Hello students. So here the fundamentals of marketing for BCom second semester. So the subject name is fundamentals of marketing. So here we will start the syllabus, discuss about the syllabus in today's video. Then later on we will start about the topics. So first unit, that is unit 1, that is market and marketing, in which first one it is definition, objectives, importance and scopes of marketing. What is marketing? We will study detail about what are the objectives of marketing, what is the importance of the marketing. We will study about that. Then next it will be the core concept of marketing, core marketing concept. There are 8 marketing core marketing concept. We will study about that. So the complete detail core marketing concept, in which production, product, selling, market and holistic marketing concept, these all things we will study. Then evaluation of concept of marketing, recent development in marketing, marketing functions, approaches to the study of marketing. All the approaches of the study marketing studies, everything we will study. Introduction part, this is only the introduction part of marketing. So next, unit 2, we will study about the market segmentation, that is meaning, levels and base of marketing segmentation, consumer and business marketing, business market. Then effective marketing, market segmentation criteria, evaluating and selecting market segmentation and concept of niche marketing system. So in this term, what are the marketing segmentation, how are the segmentations are done, different types of segmentations are there, on the basis of on what basis the market is segmented, how the consumer behave, how the business behave, everything depends on this segmentation. So how the segmentation in particular market only, how the segmentation, different types of, even a single product is there, then also different types of segmentations are done. So this is how the this chapter this unit will discuss about the marketing segmentation. Then product policy, product policy means in which the product planning and development, product life cycle, product mix, distribution channels, factors affecting the choice of distribution, how the factors, the choice of distribution, how the product is distributed from the producer to the consumer, how the product come from the producer to the consumer, everything, how the product mix is done, how the distribution channel is there, everything we will study in this product policy. Then branding, how the branding is done. Next, branding, it is more important, branding is more important. See the how many types of branding are the, how many and what are the functions of branding, packaging, features, types of packaging, how the brand name is given, how the trademarks is done, how the standardization is done. So everything we will study, even the ISO. So branding features, what are the features of the brand, how are branding helped in the marketing system, how the branding functions, everything we will study in that product policy. So this is the third unit. Then fourth one, it is pricing. What is price, how the price is determined for the particular product, the price is to be determined. So how the price are determined. So first one, definition, objectives, factor affecting the price, what are the factors, what are the reasons, or how the price get affected. So different methods, next they had shown the methods of setting price, then cost, demand and competition factors, and pricing policies and strategy. We will detail study about this pricing, what are the complete, what are the features affect, whether it is the effect of the competitor's price. If the competitor price is so much, we have to also charge something low or something high according to our product. Sometimes the competition is there, sometimes demand is there, sometimes our cost of production is there, everything is there. So many times the product price is determined on the quality basis according to the competition. So when we release a product in the market, the first thing we required is demand. For demand, the pricing is more important. The way you charge the price or way you make the product available in the market, it is more important. So pricing, whatever the pricing system is there, so we will study that pricing here in this unit 4. Then last, it is marketing channel and sales promotion. Promotions, everybody know, advertising, promotions, these kind of thing, how the product are advertised, how the product sales promotions are done. So first one, that is concept, important and types of marketing channels. Then factors influencing selection of marketing channels. What are the factors influence that discussing about the channel, marketing channel? Then objectives and importance of sales promotion, personal selling, advertising, meaning, objectives and functions and importance of advertising. Then different kinds of media, indirect marketing, multi-level marketing, supply chain, logistic management, meaning and importance. So these all things we will study, that marketing channels and sales promotion. This is our unit 5. Unit 5, it is important. Personal selling is important, direct marketing also, even advertising. Many time advertising questions had been asked. Even different kinds of media used in advertising, they are also used, asked. So this is important subject. Whereas for your further studies also, this chapter is more important. It is the basic understanding the concept of marketing. So with this we will end today's video. From next video we will start our chapters. So thank you.